my dear students. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. This is the continuation of the chapter number 4. Now we will learn supplementary angles. If the sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as supplementary angles. Angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary angles. Observe the angles in the figure below and enter the proper number in the box. Angle PQR. What is the PQR? 110. And angle MNT 70 degree. So the total of both is 180. So angle PQR, angle MNT are supplementary angles. Now we will do one example. Find the measure of the supplement of an angle of 135. We have to find supplementary angle of 135. So let the supplementary angle measure be P degree. The sum of the measure of two angles, supplementary angles, is 180. Always remember supplementary angle is 180 degree. So 135 plus P equal to 180. 135 plus P minus 135 equal to 180 minus 135. Subtracting 135 from both the sides. This both will be minus, and 180 minus 135, 45 degree. So the measure of supplementary angle of an angle of 135 degree is 45 degree. Now we will do the practice set 17. Write the measures of the supplements of the angles given below. We have to find the measure of supplementary angle given below. 120. Let the measure of supplementary angle of 120 be x degree. So 120 plus x equal to 180. 120 plus x minus 120. Subtracting 120 from both the side. 180 minus 120 is 60. So our x equal to 60. The supplementary angle of 120 degree is 60 degree. I have done the seventh one. A degree. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of A degree be y. So A plus y equal to 180. A plus y minus A equal to 180 minus A. Subtracting A from both the sides. So what will be the answer? Y equal to 180 minus A. This is 80. 180 minus A. So our answer will be 180 minus A. The supplementary angle of A degree is 180 minus A degree, because 180 A is not minused by 180. So 180 minus A degree. Second question. The measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. Measure angle B equal to 60 degree, N 30 degree, Y 90 degree, J 150 degree, D 75 degree, E 0 degree, F 15 degree, G 120 degree. We have to add both any numbers so that we can get complementary angle and supplementary angle. So I have done measured angle B 60 degree plus measured angle N 30 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree is 90 degree. So therefore angle B and angle N are pair of complementary angle. Now I have done measured angle N 30 degree plus measured angle J equal to 150 degree. 30 degree plus 150, 180 degree. Therefore angle N and angle G are pair of supplementary angles. Question number 3. In triangle XYZ, measure angle Y 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? Triangle XYZ. X, measure angle X plus measure angle Y plus angle Z equal to 180 degree. So sum of the measure of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore X, Y is given 90 degree. So I have written Y 90 degree, Z equal to 180 degree. Angle X plus 90 plus angle Z minus 90 equal to 180 minus 90, subtracting 90 from both the sides. So what we got the answer? Therefore measure angle X plus measure angle Z equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle X and angle Z are complementary angles. Therefore angle X and angle Z make a pair of complementary. Question number 4. The difference between the measure of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measure of two angles. We have to find two angles. So let the measure of the smaller angle of the complementary pair be x degree. The measure of the greater complementary angle is x plus 40. We will write x plus 40 degree. The sum of the measure of complementary angle is always 90 degree. So x plus 40 equal to 90. X plus 40 minus 40. We will write subtracting 40 from both the sides. Therefore 2x, this is 2x equal to 90 minus 40, 50. Here x equal to 50 upon 2. These two we will take here. And we have got the x 25. So x plus 40, we want x plus 40. So what we have got, x 25 plus 40 equal to 65. The measure of required angles are, we have got the first 25 and second 65. 25 degree and 65 degree. Rectangle. PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angle. Each angle of a rectangle is of measure 90 degree. The sum of the measure of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So we'll write angle P, angle T, and angle T, angle T and angle N, angle N and angle M, angle M and angle P, angle P, angle N, and angle T and angle M. We have 90 plus 90, 180. 90 plus 90, 180. So this way we will solve it. Question number 6. If measure angle A equal to 7 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? Let the measure of the complement of angle A be x degree. Complement of angle be x degree. And the measure of its supplementary angle be y degree. What we have to find? Complement angle of A and supplement angle. So x degree for angle A and supplementary angle for B, y degree. So measure angle A plus x equal to 90 degree. What is the measure angle A is given? 70. 70 plus x equal to 90. 70 plus x minus 70 equal to 90 minus 70. Subtracting 70 from both the sides. Therefore x equal to 20. We have got the x 20. Since x and y are the supplementary angles, x plus y equal to 180. What we have got? The x 20. So we will write 20 plus y equal to 180. 20 plus y minus 20 equal to 180 minus 20. Subtracting 20 from both the sides. We have got the y 160. Therefore the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A is 160 degree. We have got the answer 160. Last question, question number 7. If angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and measure angle B equal to x plus 20 degree, then what will be measure angle A? Since angle A and B are supplementary angles, so we will write therefore measure angle A plus measure angle B equal to 180 degree. 180. Therefore measure angle A plus x plus 20. Angle B, here measure angle B is given x plus 20 equal to 180. So measure angle A plus x plus 20 minus 20 equal to 180 minus 20. Subtracting 20 from both the sides. We have got measure angle A plus x equal to 160. So now we will write measure angle A plus x minus x. Why? Because we will subtract the x from both the sides. And therefore angle A equal to 160 minus x degree. 160 is not minus, x is not minused by 160. So we will write measure angle A equal to 160 minus x degree. Therefore the measure of angle A is 160 minus x degree. We have got the answer. This practice set 17 is over. Thank you.